Guys, I'm here at London and I'm gonna come back in like a few days and I know there's paradas happening. So we're just gonna wait and wait. And actually, this is not my actual lesson. I don't know, probably or probably not. You said Ming teacher, but I don't know. So, I'ma do it mamaya. And mamaya is later. And if you see this as American. And we're gonna add Ming in a few hours. Okay. And see you in the next one for the last video of I don't know. Short. Maybe people don't like my short. I just think what short do I make? So what short do I make? So I'm not good. So we're gonna upload the last video on my YouTube channel. I'm moving on to Roblox, Minecraft, and even more games. So I will not be here 2 years, but in 2027 you will see me back again. When it's your new now, and it's gonna be new year like time.
Grade 4 pa ako yung mundo na. Di ba pre, pag nag-ano ka? Uy, wait lang boy. Di ba kayo
And bye guys. See you in the next.
Tinitignan ko si Miles. Balik mo na ako eh. Ito na yung